Hi there, check out the MAGNIFIQUE 4-Quart slow cooker with a practical square design perfect for family dinners. Its space-efficient shape fits large cuts of meat or a whole chicken without crowding your counter. The removable ceramic stoneware pot makes serving and storing your meals easy and cleanup a breeze. Slow cooking gently heats ingredients for tender, juicy results, packed with rich, developed flavors every time. The simple manual control knob lets you adjust the temperature effortlessly with no complicated programming needed. Plus, both the pot and tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe for quick, stress-free cleaning. This slow cooker combines convenience and quality for delicious homemade meals. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.